I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to withdraw money from your HSBC account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Locate an ATM. Find a nearby HSBC ATM. You can use the HSBC mobile app or website to locate one. Make sure the ATM accepts your card type. Step 2. Insert your card. Insert your debit or credit card into the ATM. Ensure the card is facing the correct way as indicated on the machine. Step 3. Enter your PIN. Type in your personal identification number PIN using the keypad. Be cautious and shield your PIN while entering it. Step 4. Select withdrawal option. Choose the withdrawal option from the menu. You may need to specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Double check the amount before confirming. Step 5. Collect your cash. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the HSBC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you're using a non-HSBC ATM, fees may apply, so always check the screen for any charges. Happy banking!